Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get lava blocks in Animal Company. Head to volcanic biomass, bring heat-resistant gear, and mine hardened rock near magma pools while avoiding lava flows. Prioritize nodes near magma vents and use explosive tools to reveal clusters faster. Team up with allies to handle magma enemies and carry cooling potions to survive longer mining runs in harsh zones. In this video, I will show how to get lava blocks in Animal Company. Explore marked volcanic hotspots on the map and focus on vents and lava pools for dense spawns. Clear nearby threats before mining to avoid losing progress, and note that some caves hide richer seams behind breakable walls. Keep a portable cooling setup to extend your runs and maximize the number of blocks you harvest per trip. In this video, I will show how to get lava blocks in Animal Company. Equip heat-resistant picks and stock up on cooling potions before entering high-risk areas, and use explosives strategically to expose hidden veins quickly. Coordinate with teammates so one player tanks mobs while others mine, and bring extra inventory or storage to avoid leaving blocks behind. Rotate sites to let spawn timers reset for continuous farming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.